Well, hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video on my YouTube channel mrbdoeselectronics, and in this video I'll be unboxing this Alt Spunk Pro smartwatch which I bought from Flipkart for under 2000 rupees. So let's get to the unboxing. So on the right hand side you can see the various features are listed like stock market, heart rate, IP68 rating. On the back you can pause to read the various details, and on this side single Bluetooth calling, 100+ sports mode, watch faces SPO2. And there is the Alt Spunk Pro watch. It is kept like that in the box, and this is how it looks from the back. And the band is quite flexible, it is made of silicone material. Now let's put it to the side and go further inside the box. So there is this foam insert divider, and this are some of the stickers that are given, those warranty, and that is the user guide. We don't need all of those. And this is the start of the show, and it's a true wireless magnetic charging pad. And for under 2000 rupees, this is a distinguishing feature and a very special feature. As you can see, it sits like that. It's quite long, as you can see. Now let's put everything back and focus on the watch itself. And this is how the watch looks. It looks quite good in my opinion. And let's start it up, and you get thrown into the watch face, as you can see, and that is the always on display, at least the digital mode. There is also another analog one. So from the top you can see the various toggles and the weather. This is the brightness. As you can see, it gets quite bright. It's an AMOLED display. It's a good quality display, 60 Hz, and these are the user interface modes. All total there are 5. And there is also the rotating crown, which if you turn it works quite good and you get a tactile feedback. So these are the various settings, and that is the brightness. This is the password. You can put the password of your choice, do not disturb. These are the UI modes. These are the system modes, power off, shutdown. This is the always on display, digital and pointer. Let's check out the pointer. This is the raise to wake feature, how long you need to turn the screen on. These are all very common features. You can put the always on screen to 20 minutes or always on or some other time. That was the QR, and that is the about section. Nothing special in that. And from the left you can get the call control. There is the SPO2. We will be checking those out, and as you can see, if you do not wear it won't measure. That's good. Stress monitoring is also there, activity rings. This is the HR or the heart rate. And we are back to the watch face. Let's check out the watch faces. There are 10+ watch faces already stored in the watch, and as you can see, those are all very high quality and classy looking, and due to the pitch black of the AMOLED display and 60 Hz, all of these are looking quite exquisite in my opinion. This is the default watch face, and from the right also you can go back to those same menus, and as you can see, the rotating crown as well as the responsiveness are all top notch. So let's check out the different UI menus. So this is the cellular. As you can see, you can move up and down or zoom in and out, and it's quite smooth. Let's check out the rolling mode. This also works quite smooth. As you can see, you can do the touch as well as the crown also. Next is the kaleidoscope. Oh, look at that. Look at the animation. The animations are buttery smooth, as you can see, and you can also use the crown in all of these. Next, let's check out the roller mode. So this is the roller, which you also can use for touch as well as the crown. So all of these are top notch with awesome animation speeds and 60 Hz. So there is also this shortcut key to the various fitness features, and here also you can use the rotating crown to scroll in the menu. So now let's show you how the charging works. I'll be using this power bank for this demonstration, and as it magnetically attaches to the wireless charger, no pogo pins or anything of that sort, and as you can see the charging is working and the magnets are fairly strong, not that strong also. And this is how the notification works. From swipe down will give you all the notifications, Messenger, YouTube, various other apps, Telegram, all of them are supported. The icons are supported. You can see long messages also, and the rotating crown works here too, so that's good. So if you have missed the video about this Boat Storm Pro Call, which is also a rectangular AMOLED calling watch with 60 Hz, I will link in the description as well as in the iCards above. Check that video out too. Now let's take a deep dive into the Alt Flex app, and let's now pair the smartwatch first. And as you can see, it happens without any hitch. It's very smooth, and this is how the call is pairing up, the calling function. The SMS function was turned on right then. All of the others are all turned on. So this is how the app looks, as you can see. And these are the various collections of the watch faces. There are lots of watch faces, dynamic ones as you can see up top with animated watch faces. Let's now put one of the watch face on the watch and see how it works and how the syncing works. And I've chosen the yellow watch face to show you the size of the bezels also. So let's wait. The syncing of the watch face takes a bit of time based on the size of the watch face that you are syncing, and that is how the watch face is looking. That is the analog always on. I'll come back to that. And animations are good, not that smooth, but the bezels are quite slim. And you can also use the crown to change the watch faces, and long press also works as you saw earlier. This is the watch face gallery. You can create your own watch faces. These are the notifications from the various apps. Others also works, but there is a bit of a problem with the others. I'll tell that later on. Anti-laws, do not disturb. All of these are common. Sedentary reminder, vibration, power saving mode, backlight, raise to wake, HR setting, menstrual cycle tracking or female health tracking. And this is how the camera shutter works, and it works okay, nothing special there. And this is how you sync your contacts. And this is your profile. You can upload your profile. There is a firmware update as you can see. Now let's update the watch and show you real time how much time it takes. Obviously the process is a bit fast forwarded, so it takes 5 minutes in my experience. Now let's focus on the HR, heart rate and SpO2 monitoring. I have wore the watch and this is how it looks. And that is the SpO2, sorry, not the heart rate, that was the SpO2. This is the heart rate. If you keep it in this mode, it will continuously measure your heart rate and give you a graph and everything. So if you don't have time for the whole video, you can pause right over here and check out the various pros and cons that I have found in this watch over the period of time that I have used, all listed in this part of the video. So that was all about the Alt Spunk Pro, which is a round Bluetooth calling smartwatch with AMOLED 60Hz display, bought under 2000 rupees from Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. So if you like unboxing videos, tech videos, consider subscribing, and in my next video I'll be unboxing this brand new Firebolt asteroid smartwatch, which is also an AMOLED Bluetooth calling under 2000. So stay tuned for that, subscribe, and do not miss that video. Like, share and comment also while you are here. Catch you guys on the next video. Peace.